So you guys, so I said I was gonna give a breakdown of the car. I haven't got it started yet, but we'll be running like in a couple of days. Hopefully, gotta get some things sorted out. But this is it. It's a Mazdaspeed 6, 2006. It's on a twin-scroll turbo, twin-scroll manifold, dual wastegates, 38 millimeters, 2 dump tubes to the floor. What else? This is on port injection with the ID 1050s. Injector dynamics. What else? It has a custom return all the way to the tank with the AEM pump for E85, and then a custom catch gun, fully vented with the Damon plate, stock throttle body, big oil cooler. Yeah, I mean, just want to give you guys a breakdown, but hopefully I'll get it running pretty soon. A couple more things to go and it should be set. As far as engines, fully built, 88 millimeter pistons, rods, crank, main bolt, head bolt, main bolts, everything, crank bolt as well, fully ported on both sides, exhaust and intake. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty simple, not that much to it, but hopefully we don't have any issues. Hope you guys subscribe and like the video, and just stay tuned for the startup, dude. The first startup should get it going in a couple weeks, couple days. No way of telling, but we'll get there. There's some other cars I have right here. It's all I work on: Mazdaspeed 3, 6. Got another Speed 6 right there. Little gas beater right there. Yep. This is what I'm focused on. Hope you guys like the video. Give a thumbs up, thumbs down. It don't matter. Peace out.